Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Amazing Gardening. You can learn about many vegetables to grow at home from our YouTube channel. In this video we discussed how to grow oranges with aloe vera and eggs. Orange is a winter fruit. This fruit is very beneficial fruit. It has many benefits and they are a great source of vitamin C, and they are low in calories. For growing, we need some oranges, eggs, and aloe vera leaves first. Take an orange that should be of good quality. With good quality oranges, we can grow good quality plants with aloe vera and egg. Take a small knife and use this knife to make a small hole in the top of the orange. Use the knife carefully so as not to damage it, and then make another hole just below it. Cleaning these holes thoroughly. Clean both holes thoroughly and carefully. Don't drill the holes too deep. If you make the holes too deep, your entire orange will be ruined. Similarly, take the second and third oranges and make holes in them in the same way carefully, and do not damage them either. If the oranges are damaged, they will not be able to grow plants, and thus our hard working is wasted. Then take an onion and cut this onion. Rub the cut onion on the oranges. It is useful to grow oranges with eggs and aloe vera. Do the same with the remaining 2 oranges. Keep these oranges aside after you have done this good rub. Rubbing oranges with onion is not a common practice, and there is little to no scientific evidence to support its benefits. However, onions and oranges both have beneficial properties on their own. Take a pot and put eggs in it. And then take aloe vera leaves. Cut the aloe vera leaves with a knife and extract the aloe vera gel from them. Mix the aloe vera gel with the eggs well. After mixing the eggs and aloe vera gel well, keep the egg and aloe vera mixture. Take another pot and fill it with water. Water is essential for every plant. Water is very important for growing plants. Water is beneficial for everything, be it humans, animals, or plants. Mix the eggs and aloe vera mixture in the water in the first pot, and then in the second, and then in the third pot. This water is very useful for growing orange plant with eggs and aloe vera. After dissolving into it, place the orange on the first pot. Carefully place the orange on the top of the pot. The orange's plant will not grow well if the orange is not placed on the top of the pot. Then place it on top of the second pot in the same way, and then place the third pot on top. When you have done this, store all 3 pots in a safe place where the sunlight will not harm the oranges. After a few days, you will see that your orange plants have started to grow. Do the same if you want to grow oranges plants like me. But our video does not end there. You have to remove the orange plant from here and Look at the orange plant that has started to grow. You can see the roots and how delicate the leaves are. Put them to one side and keep them carefully so as not to damage the orange plant. Take soil in a bucket and pour it on the ground. Add natural compost to it and mix the soil well with compost. Keep mixing the soil thoroughly until the soil and natural compost are thoroughly mixed. Put soil in the pot. Do not fill it completely. Then take another pot and put soil in it too. And then do the same with the third one. Take a banana, cut it into small pieces, and put it in the pot. Place the orange plant on the top of them. Add soil around the plant. This soil will help it grow further. Watering orange plants is an essential part of caring for the orange plant. Water the orange plant regularly. If you water your orange plant regularly, your orange plant will be grown up and fruit the oranges in 30 days. When your orange plant turns into yellow, harvest it carefully. If you want to grow eggplant, visit our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.